What if I told you there's a brand new motorcycle that's shaking up the entire middleweight category? It's faster than you expect, cheaper than you think, and it might just destroy the competition you thought was untouchable. This is the all-new Honda CB750 Hornet. And today, we're going to find out, is this really the new king of middleweight motorcycles or just another overhyped release? For years, Honda fans in the US kept asking the same question: where is the Hornet? While Yamaha dominated with the MT-07 and Kawasaki held strong with the Z650, Honda stayed strangely quiet. But now, after years of anticipation, they've brought the name back again. And not just back, they've brought it back with a statement. This isn't just another naked bike. This is Honda saying, we're ready to take over again. The first time you look at the CB750 Hornet, you immediately notice something different. It's aggressive, but not overdone. Sharp LED headlights, a muscular fuel tank, and a clean, minimal tail section. It doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. This is that perfect balance between Streetfighter attitude and everyday usability. And for US riders, that matters, because you don't just want a bike that looks good on Instagram, you want something that feels right every single time you ride it. Now let's talk about what really matters, the engine, because this is where things get serious. The CB750 Hornet comes with a 755cc parallel twin engine, and it produces around 90 horsepower. Let that sink in. 90 horsepower in a lightweight naked bike at this price point? That's not just impressive, that's disruptive. The throttle response is sharp, but still predictable, which means whether you're a beginner stepping up or an experienced rider, this bike adapts to you. And here's the crazy part. When you compare it to something like the Yamaha MT-07, the Hornet doesn't just compete, it actually feels more refined, more planted, and in many cases, more powerful. It's like Honda studied the competition and said, okay, now watch this. But numbers don't tell the full story. What really matters is how this bike feels on the road. And this is where the CB750 Hornet truly shines. The seating position is upright, comfortable, perfect for city riding. But the moment you twist the throttle, it transforms. It becomes aggressive, alive, responsive. The suspension setup gives you confidence in corners, while still being forgiving enough for daily use. And the lightweight chassis? It makes the bike feel incredibly agile. Lane filtering, tight turns, even weekend canyon rides. This bike handles it all effortlessly. It's one of those motorcycles that makes you want to ride longer, not because you have to, but because you don't want to stop. Now let's talk about tech, because Honda didn't hold back here either. You get a full-color TFT display, multiple riding modes, traction control, and even adjustable power delivery. This isn't just a raw machine, it's a smart one. For newer riders, these features add confidence. For experienced riders, they add control. And in today's market, that combination, it's exactly what people are looking for. Now we have to address the big question. How does it compare to the Yamaha MT-07? Because let's be honest, that's the bike everyone is thinking about. The MT-07 has been the go-to choice for years. It's fun, torquey, and incredibly popular. But the Hornet changes the game. More horsepower, more advanced tech, better overall refinement, and possibly a more premium riding experience. The MT-07 still wins in simplicity, but the Hornet, it feels like the next evolution, like moving from a smartphone to a flagship device. Both are good, but one just feels ahead. And now, the biggest surprise of all, the price. Because Honda didn't just build a better bike, they made it aggressively competitive. You're getting more power, more features, and a fresh new design without paying a premium. And that's exactly why this bike is going viral right now. Because it offers something rare, high performance at a price that actually makes sense. This isn't just about specs, it's about what this bike represents. A comeback, a statement, a reminder that Honda still knows how to build motorcycles that excite people. The Hornet isn't just back, it's evolved. So, is the Honda CB750 Hornet the new king of the middleweight class? Honestly, It just might be. Because it doesn't just compete, it challenges everything we thought we knew about this category. And if this is Honda's new direction, then the competition should be worried, very worried. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to Motometrics for more honest motorcycle reviews. And tell me in the comments, would you pick the CB750 Hornet or stick with the MT-07? I'll see you in the next one.